And welcome to Bordeaux, the home of lagoons ranging from 51 to 78 feet. Behind me here is the C&B factory where these amazing boats are made, but there is more to Bordeaux than just that. If you're thinking of European pickup, this is where you'll most likely pick up your vessel, out on the docks just across from me here. This weekend, I'll be taking you on a tour around this city to find out more about what there is to do while you're staying here. When traveling from Australia, you're most likely going to fly into Paris. Whether you decide to stay there for a few days and explore or come directly here, it is only a 2-hour fast train ride away. The first thing to consider is transport. Many of our owners do decide to hire a car, but make sure you have got your parking organised. The reason for this is obviously you're going to and from shops, you've got lots of luggage, so having a car is definitely suggested. However, in the city centre, you may decide to take trams or hire a bike or electric scooter. Bordeaux is an ancient city rich in history, especially in the winemaking, so that will definitely be a priority. But it is also a city, so there is plenty of shops for all your preparation before departing on your adventure. Now let's see what Bordeaux has to offer. First on the tour is the famous Cite du Vin, which you can see behind me now. This is a wine museum. Obviously Bordeaux is famous for its wines, so let's go have a look around. Off my tour of the wine museum. It was very insightful, very interactive. I really enjoyed it. If you are interested in wines, how they're made, everything there is to know about vines, then it's definitely a great experience. And to finish it off, I'm having a wine tasting of a local Bordeaux red, and it is exquisite. What is the highlight of being up here on the balcony on the 8th floor is just behind me here is the Lagoon factory and docks. So I am spotting 5 or 6 lagoons out on the docks. So it's a perfect place to round out your day and maybe check out your boat if it is on the docks at the time. Cheers to that. After the wine museum yesterday, I headed off to a place called the Chatrons, a very cute little area with lots of restaurants, cobblestone streets, and then into downtown centre where I saw the Opera House as well as the Financial Institute, which is where that beautiful mirror water is that Bordeaux is pretty famous for. Today I am off to Saint-Emilions. When I get there, I will tell you more about the area. I am now in the beautiful Saint-Emilion, a short 30-minute drive or train ride from Bordeaux. This is a must-see, especially if you're a wine lover. If you're unfamiliar with the location, this is a UNESCO site scattered with vineyards on your way in, as well as chateaus, cobblestone streets, and really shows the essence of the region's history in wine. Walking through the cobblestone streets, you'll pass gorgeous restaurants, cafes and wineries. The perfect place for a beverage or two as well as a tasting. And as you can see behind me, we have the beautiful church, which I'm about to walk up to now. So join me on my little adventures as we walk through the streets and really see what this place is all about. In the town centre there are some wine tasting experiences, but I feel like to get the full experience I needed to come out to a real chateau. Here I am at Chateau Soutard and I'm about to go on a tour around the chateau as well as looking in the cellars and finding a little bit more about the winemaking and the vineyards. Join me on my tour. I'm officially back in Bordeaux after an amazing day in Saint-Emilion. Seriously is a must-do. I really enjoyed Chateau Soutard. You might be thinking, what is that cool looking bridge behind you? I know, it does look pretty cool. I will leave the name of the bridge. I'm going to try and pronounce it for you, but I know I'm going to say it wrong. Pont Jacques Chaban Delmas. Totally butchered that, but you get the idea. Tomorrow morning I am going to be lucky enough to go through the Lagoon factory. So if you want to find out more about the factory, the process of making the larger lagoons, then definitely make sure that you are liked and subscribed. As for Bordeaux itself, definitely recommend coming here, whether it is to pick up your lagoon or not. And if you are considering purchasing a lagoon 51 feet and up, definitely consider taking European delivery. There are a number of benefits to this, cost saving as well as obviously the adventure. So get in touch with the team at TMG to talk about this more, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.